The FAA predicts there will be more than 400,000 commercial drone pilots by 2027, plus a substantial need for crew and maintenance personnel. Drone technology is no longer limited to transportation and logistics. It's now incorporated into a wide range of industry career clusters. Empower your students with a high-tech, in-demand, career-ready skill set by partnering with USI. With over 10 years of industry experience, USI, along with hundreds of schools globally, has built an expansive network with clear pathways to industry certification, college degrees, and employment. Online, hybrid, in person. You choose which program is right for your institution. Not an expert? No problem. Partnering with USI provides a turnkey solution and access to essential resources. All you need is the internet. Are you ready to take your place as the regional, globally recognized workforce provider for this expansive technology? Careers elevated. USI, training today for tomorrow. Learn more at flyusi.org.